ho, ho, fellas, and welcome back to the Ultimate Beamer Experience. So today, let me show you something real quick. This is my Le Mans Blue E92. The dash is completely clean. Completely clean dashboard. No issues. So this year I figured, how about we decorate the dashboard for Christmas? I'm gonna see how many lights I can activate on the dashboard. We'll start with some of the easy ones. This should activate the ABS light. So that should be ABS, and maybe if we're lucky, the four-wheel light, maybe. Let's make it a speed run, essentially. I love doing tools when your hands are cold type shit. I shouldn't have actually screwed the beauty cover on. That's not something I typically do. Get the beauty cover up, unplug the coil pack. Misfire in cylinder one. We're gonna get a light bulb light on the check control. Oh damn, that's a little crispy. So headlights unplugged. We'll get the nice little fancy check control. The one that's really annoying and it just keeps flashing on your screen. I can get the brake wear sensor.
You can cut your brake line.
Yeah, like, I can cut the brake line. How about we get this wheel off and we unplug a brake wear sensor. Also, I never put my tools away proper, so I can't find my, whatever. If I can find my tools, oh, there it is. You know, sitting on the ground. You know, an easy spot to find it. Got a big piece of ice right there, man. I can't even find it. Don't want to ruin my Santa costume, man. This is like the Beatles movie. Oh, that took the part of the under tray with it. Yeah, it's literally, it's freaking, look at it. Look at that. Can you see that? Yeah, it's a little snow packed into the under tray. Yeah, that's the jack point. Found it. That'll be enough. It's really killing our speedrun time.
I wonder why all yours...
Open this little door here and unplug one of them. See, you just plug that little guy right there. All right, get a close up on the dash here. Let's see how many we won. Not as many as I was hoping. Wait, why is it not misfiring? Oh, it's misfiring, it just don't know it.
You just don't know it yet.
See, we got the ABS, we got the brake. Waiting for check engine. Maybe on the second start. I think on the second start.
She's not misfiring, she sounds good.
Dude, there we go. There we go. Can we get any more? Should we unplug the airbag?
Yes.
See there, oh, there's the other one. Hell yeah. I mean, it's still not as many lights as the other car, but it's not too, see, it won't stop chiming. Now that we're festive, let's go slide.
Yes, how may I help you?
Yeah, I'll have 200 cookies and candy canes.
I'm sorry, what do you say?
Yeah, I said I'll have 2 bacon McDoubles.
That's what the thing we did.
Thank you. Half a second there, I forgot I'm dressed as Santa. Like, oh, why are they smiling at me? See if there's enough space over here.
What is this guy doing?
Dude, I bet he's trying to, but yeah, he can barely do it.
Oh, he's doing it. I'll give it to him.
He's got to be all-wheel drive too.
Yeah, he's fucking getting it.
It's fucking super easy.
Oh, I can no longer see. Look at him go. I'll give it to him. He's fucking getting it. Wait.
Oh, look who's here to ruin the fun. He's gonna spook that guy though. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Man, he is here to ruin the fun.
he's chasing you.
He is chasing us, dude.
He's definitely chasing you.
Dude, what are you doing, bro?
Yeah? Look at him.
Hey guys, it's Craig Kringle Beamer, potentially better known as Santa Claus, and I'm speaking to you from the afterlife in a third dimension as we simultaneously recall this event that takes place just a few seconds before I get bulldozed by Marvin Heemeyer with no surviving witnesses. But lucky enough for me, my Redtiger F17 dash camera recorded the entire interaction. So thank you to Redtiger for sponsoring this, and let me tell you a little bit more. The F17 Elite is an affordable dash camera that records from 3 different perspectives at the same time. The front camera shoots up to 4K, the rear one shoots up to 2.5K, and the interior at 1080p. Luckily, LiveLeaks doesn't exist anymore. The camera also features a built-in GPS to record location data, as well as a G-force sensor to automatically set aside recordings in the event of an accident. Unfortunately, this was no accident, but the recording was still taken without me needing to press any buttons. This camera also features a parking mode, which will record a time-lapse even when the ignition is off and you are inside the auto parts store, or if you are a 335 owner while the car is sitting on jack stands or the back of a flatbed. But this feature requires the camera to be hardwired, which I show you how to do in the video that I've done about this camera, which you can check out on my channel. But here's some footage from the dash camera itself, plenty clear for most scenarios, and I would say you could see some of this footage in court, but I believe Marvin had destroyed the courthouse as well. If you are interested in this camera, I put the link in the description with a couple different discount codes. Now let's get back to the video. What do you want, bro? You gonna push me?
I don't know what he's doing.
Dude, I can't get out.
He's trying to block
Dude,
you.
I can't fucking get out if you're in the way, dude. I'm trying to.
What a dick. What's
Hey,
that?
get out of the lot. I'm trying. You're in the fucking way. Whee! Whee! He's a little bit risky when he's trying to fucking hit me with his plouch. I try to move. He moves closer. Like, what the fuck do you want me to do, dude? You're literally boxing me in. He's just mad because he can't get the angle that I could get with his stupid ass bucket truck thing. There is no way that he gets paid enough to care that much. I just should have took the payday, man. I should have let him hit me. I should be calling the cops. Yeah, the Grinch tried to kill me with a giant excavator. The Grinch tried to steal the parking lot.
I go off to do my little way up to here. Now I'm gonna jump in the right, they know that's gonna be fucked in here. Pure nuts in here, spin my like them trucks in here. I've been doing the right thing for a while, I swear down you don't like that. Ain't never just a pain, I'm like, nah, I ain't just a ride. Chris 16, never just a guy. Everybody telling me I'm supposed to be blow by say there was no bust the rhyme, don't cross the line. Swear down you don't see mine. I swear down you don't see mine. I swear down you don't see mine. Alright, let me switch that, go deeper. Spit flame in the face, so man's like, why has it got had a p-shot? Drink cognac by the liter. You can tell me you're a big MC, but I know that you ain't no geezer. When I'm in the set, DJ, put the wheel up, I need to sound like me, bruv. Enter. Better than that. I do that, I'm off of my plan. Do I ping to the all of my gang? Yeah, moving big storm in the background till it gets so.
I like that we're just finding other people.
Oh yeah, dude, this is the fucking season, brother.
Kind of funny.
Dude's kind of shredding it though.
Oh, he's calling you over.
Hell yeah, dude.
Fucking Merry Christmas, dude.
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're doing a video.
Oh, shit, there you go.
Want to be in a video?
I got a couple more buddies coming here soon if you want.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
What do they got?
But he's N55, 335, and I don't know what my other buddy's got, but
Oh, nice.
yeah. The other one, he's got 328 N24 cylinder.
Oh, okay.
You see people at cruise night putting their fucking $6,000 335s away. It's like, come on, drive your fucking car. The car's meant to be driven.
I'm a huge 335 hater. I'm not gonna lie.
Because they're too copy and paste.
Dude, legit, dude.
You get it. You get
Dude, I'm huge into N52.
it. Do you know who Rye N52 is on Instagram?
Yeah, he's a close friend of mine actually.
Oh, okay, really?
Yeah. Well guys, 2025 was a fantastic year for the channel, and I've got so much in store for next year already. My subscriber count has pretty much doubled since the beginning of the year, and I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for sticking around. Together we will turn the N52 into the respectable aftermarket platform that it deserves to be. And it's very exciting for people like me who have been driving N52s for a long time to see how much the interest in the N52 has grown. And it kind of seems like people are beginning to realize that the N54 is overhyped and are beginning to lose interest in it. Sorry Chris. To all the people on the forums who have asked how to make their 328 faster and have their answer boiled down to just buy a 335i, my channel is dedicated to you, and that's what the whole 335i thing is all about. So it's nice to see more options popping up on how to make 328s faster and 335s obsolete. But anyways, I've got a lot in store for my two N52s next year, so stay tuned, and thank you all for subscribing and supporting.